This is the most expensive model car in my collection. This is a $5,000 1A scale Lamborghini Aventador model, and in this video you'll learn about the story of how I even own this, what are its details, and insider information about my next A scale project. Let's turn the clock about 5 years ago. I first started buying and selling model cars when we were all home, and one day I saw a model car for sale online. At first, I thought it was another 18 scale blue Lamborghini Aventador. Maybe it was an auto art, maybe it was worth a few $100s, and after putting the winning bid for $120, I didn't think too much. But about a week later, I saw a massive box at my doorstep. At first, I thought it was a mistake. Maybe they used too much packing peanuts, maybe they did too much bubble wrap, or they just really wanted to arrive safely. But when I lifted it, the box was also super heavy too. So when I opened it, there was a huge shock. It was not an 18 scale auto art. It was a 1A scale Lamborghini Aventador by Pocher, specifically in the ultra rare blue Monterey color. That model car was a blessing in disguise, because that model car taught me how to photograph these actual cars, and on top of that, sell them. See, this isn't the same model car from Pocher that I got 5 years ago. This is a nearly identical version, but upgraded and ironically right-hand drive. That Lamborghini Aventador stayed in my collection for about 6 months. I actively tried to sell it in the last few months of its ownership, and ultimately I sold it for $3,000. Talk about a good ROI. And that started my model car journey. It allowed me to purchase new model cars to resell or add into my collection, and allowed me to have the funds to know about more expensive brands, which I'm then using to share on my platform 5 years later. But that model car had a special place in my heart because it was sentimental, as it started the journey of model cars for you. And over the past couple of years, I was always looking for a replacement. I would scroll eBay, Facebook Marketplace, even check on random hobby shop sites, but I was never able to find another, especially not for $120. But then this popped up. It was a fully built Aventador, just like my old one, but it was right-hand drive, as it was being sold by a seller in the United Kingdom. It did look a little messed up in the pictures. I thought it could use a little work, some re-gluing, some new parts, but ultimately it looked okay. Now, with my experience of selling and shipping model cars, I just left a little note to the seller to be extra careful with this one. Maybe wrap it in felt to protect the paint and package it really well. They said, oh, sure, I have a ton of experience, and in which they do, because they sell other A-scale models, but they did not listen. See, this model came in a box with not so much bubble wrap, a bag of spare parts, and actually the bubble wrap melted on the paint. Now, this wasn't something you could just buff or polish out. The paint was destroyed. And in order to repaint this model car, it's not like an 18 scale where you can get a little spray can. You need an actual bottle mixed by a professional. So I had to first disassemble the entire car, see which parts were missing, but while the car was assembled, I had found out that you could buy transformation kits in order to upgrade the quality on these model cars. There's an individual in Italy who sells these kits that upgrades the interior, the engine bay, the wheels, and more. So I reached out to him and got the transformation kit from him. And then came the reassembly process: sanding, painting, polishing, finding a bunch of missing parts, installing the new transformation kit, all of which to make this model car. Now, it has a ton of features, so let's run through it. An opening engine bay with a super detailed engine, an opening and closing rear spoiler, an opening and closing front with a felt liner, wheels that turn with the steering wheel, and a full interior with seat belts, real carpet, seats with optional carbon seat backs, and the full infotainment system is super accurate. On top of that, this is real Lamborghini paint, so it glistens in the light. But the thing about 1A scale models is that they take up so much space. I have an entire shelf dedicated for this model car, and I've owned other A-scale models, such as a Nissan R35 GTR Nismo. That one lit up, it had a ton of gimmicks, and the fitment wasn't too good, but it was still pretty cool. But this one is special. And the reason why it's so expensive is not only is the kit a lot of money, maybe around $1,500 to $2,000, it's labor, materials, the extra transformation kit, and all of that adds up to an over $5,000 model car. But after this car was built, I didn't stop here. See, the seller of the transformation kit also has something for SVJs. And here's the fun thing. This is my third A-scale model, and I thought I was done after this. It took my dad and I months to go and reassemble this, but I bought the SVJ kit from Italy. That's gonna convert this model into an SVJ Roadster, but not this model specifically. See, I bought another kit, a black Aventador Roadster, to use as the donor. This won't be touched, but that one is going to turn into a beautiful model. And only 20 of those kits were ever made, so it's going to be super rare. Now, the entire process of building an 8-scale model is super exciting. From hunting the parts down, spending countless hours refining it, and obviously having the finished product. It is definitely a labor of love, but it's unlike any other model car out there. So if you're interested, I highly recommend you stay tuned to my channel and subscribe, as I'll come out with a series assembling this SVJ model car, something never seen before online. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.